Yesterday we released the latest firmware. You can update it yourself on the settings page. Please note before updating, this firmware update will delete all information about the watch, including software, if there is important information stored in the watch. This update mainly includes the following aspects. The first is the status bar that everyone cares about the most. We reverted to the original version. Then swipe down to open the History app. Easy to switch apps or close. This is the main content of this update. Because the last update, many customers have reported that the status bar is not easy to use, not as easy to use as the original version, so I contacted the engineer. Emergency fix to the original version. I hope you enjoy it. Now the interface is upgraded with the latest UI. You can also open the state on the menu interface. Another important update is that the watch currently supports constant light, but only working English and Chinese languages. If you set other languages, the maximum brightness time can only be set for 30分钟 use. I have contacted the engineer. This question will be updated again in the future. This is the main convenience of the current update. If you have any other questions, you can contact me in time. I will solve it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please follow our channel, get the latest news and discounts.